Here's so look at this well, and then we ate sushi, clothes, oh my grab.
Okay, hey vlog. So today is June 27th and my grad party is on July 2nd, and then on July 1st I have the Taylor Swift concert. So I have a lot of prep to do for both. And so today is gonna be, I don't have work today, so today's gonna be a just productive day of prepping for the grad party and the Taylor Swift concert. So on my iPad last night, I made a checklist of what to do today. So, okay, so here's the list. So, take Gretchen to basketball at 9 this morning. I did do that. Then I need to work on / finish my picture boards. I ordered a crap ton of photos from Shutterfly, but my mom forgot like my prom and graduation ones, so I ordered some more from Walgreens this morning, so I have to go pick those up at 1:30. So after 1:30 I'm gonna go work on this once I get all the pictures. Then make centerpieces. Yesterday I was playing around with a bunch of different like styles and bows for the centerpieces, and I think I found the one I really like, so I'm gonna work on those. I don't know how many I need though, but yeah. So, and then order pictures. I did that. Help clean around the house and clean my room because my grandma's gonna be staying in my room, so I need to clean it up. Yeah, so that's what we have to do. I think right now I'm gonna start. Gretchen really wants me to take her to Target, which does kind of help me because I just need to grab some like little things. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so let's get ready and go to Target. Okay, we're at Target and I'm shopping for a dress for my grad party. I have some black and some green options, so I'm gonna try a bunch on. I'm still looking though. So I'll let you know, I'll update you guys in the changing room. Okay, here's the option number 1. It's this black dress. She's cute, but it's like just a little big. So maybe I'll like, in the straps don't really like stay up. Okay, all those options were so bad, so I'm gonna have to go to the mall another day to find a dress. But currently, this is all I have. I'm trying to find the salads to have for lunch today because I haven't eaten anything. Okay, hey vlog, so we're done. I didn't get a dress, but I got some other things, so let me give you guys a haul. First, I got the Santa Fe salad. This is the best salad ever. Not ever, but the best salad at Target. Then I got 2 energy drinks. This is for tomorrow, strawberry guava. This one's for right now, coconut Red Bull. And I'm gonna mix that in with my Starbucks. And then I heard good things about this, so I got the Clean Fresh CoverGirl Yummy Gloss in the shade. It's so pink. But first, a Cosmo. I don't know what that means, but okay, someone else go.
I'll give my haul. So, I got Doritos because I'm about to go to work and I don't have any snacks in my work bag. I also got a Monster for work. And then I got this like cute tank top that I've been wanting forever, but now I have money so I can get it. So, yeah. And then I got the Sky High brown mascara. So, maybe you want anything?
Yeah. So, I got glitter for the Eras tour.
Slay.
I got a chocolate bar. And my cellar water, because I ran out.
I also got strawberry acai lemonade, and I got a venti cup with ice, so I'm gonna make my little delicious drink right now. I've been playing around with different refreshers and different flavored Red Bull, so I haven't tried the coconut one yet. So she's filling up. Okay, then crack the Red Bull open. Sorry, don't want to break my nails. And you pour this guy in there. Oh, it's blue. And boom! That looks actually kind of crazy.
I'm gonna give you guys a taste test in a sec, but I have to take a picture of it. Okay, so
that was a joke.
mix it up. She's like this purple color. And she's really good, and this is like my new favorite combo. Also, fun fact, I saw someone in there who had the cardigan, the Taylor Swift cardigan, and a t-shirt on under it.
It was a Lana Del Rey's t-shirt, but
I know, like
he was eating.
He did eat, and I thought like we like had a moment because I'm wearing my Taylor stuff, but we walked past each other, but like I was trying to be mysterious.
He was in front.
I'm walking into Marshall's right now to see if they have a dress for my grad party. I got my Eras Tour Miss Americana dress from here, so I have high hopes. Okay, I have 3 options, so let's see if any of them work. All of those options were bad, so then Gretchen and Samuel are in Kohl's right now, or the Sephora and the Kohl's, getting something. I have the hiccups now, and then I have to go to Walgreens, pick up the pictures, and I'm gonna start on the post boards when I get home. Oh my gosh, like forever later, I finished the first board. I have 3, but I think I'm gonna take a break for now. Here's the aftermath of the board making. These are all the little wrappers for the sticky things. These are friends and then family and baby pictures. Here she is. I love how it looks. Some of them are funny. So I'm gonna clean this up and then I think I'm gonna get started on the centerpieces. You can't eat that. Okay, so now I have all my stuff. Oh, sorry about that. I have all my stuff to start making the centerpieces. These are the bottles we're using, but we're taking the bows off and we're filling it with these and then putting a bow around it. And I'll let you guys know what one finished one looks like, and then I have to make a whole bunch. Okay, so this is like what the filler is gonna look like, and then there's gonna be flowers and a picture thing, but we have to put like little stones in there so it's like weighted so it won't fall over. But I have to make like 15 of those. Okay, so we filled all the vases. They're looking so cute. We put little clear stones in there so they're like weighted. Here are all the non-clear stones, and here are the rest of the clear stones. We made a huge mess with the stuffing, so we're gonna have to clean that up. And then I'm gonna put a little one of these in each of them, and then I have to make a bunch of these these little picture things to stick in each one, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow, honestly. So yeah. Okay, so we're all ready. We have all this stuff out for picture making boards. One of my pictures did fall off yesterday, so I need to put her back. It's because it was like right on the fold, so I'll fix that in a sec. And Lauren and Tyra are on their way over with sushi, and it's gonna be really fun. But let me show you guys something. So basically, you know how at like grad parties you have like a little card box? Well, Miss Trudell is a queen and made me this. This is gorgeous. It's huge though, so I feel like it's gonna be a little awkward when there's only like not that many cards. It says, "Oh yeah, Sophie 23 OU." So it's literally so cute, and it has like a little thing on it so everyone can put their cards in there, and it's literally so cute. Usually there's a lid on top, but we couldn't find a bin with a lid on top. So I'll update you guys when Lauren and Tyra are here. Oh, and I don't know if I added this, but the pool is closed today, so I have a bunch of time the rest of the day to be working and stuff. And right now over here we're just piling up stuff to have out at my grad party. Okay, we have my track uniform. There's me. We have some other, there's these like OU stickers that we might just put around. There's this. There's my little article of when I tore my ACL and then was playing basketball. So yeah, I don't know what this, my pictures, other things. I literally have so many plaques. Like this one is just like Tiger Toughness, but like I feel like I should put these out. A little basketball thing. Oh, we also have a bunch. I have a ton of medals, but I think I'm just gonna put like district champs and then some first field or track ones. So yeah.
I know.
Okay, hey vlog. So Lauren and Tara here. We ate sushi and they brought some crumble over, and now we are grinding on the cutie little centerpieces. Look how cute these are. Oh, I'm scared. Then we finished the second poster board. It looks so good and picture-y. And then after this, I think we'll be done. I'm not gonna make them do all that.
So much fun.
We're having a blast. Okay, so it is the next day. Last night, I just spent the rest of the night. We finished up all of the centerpieces, which I'm very excited about because I was kind of nervous about that part because I just thought it was going to take forever. But luckily, Tyra and Lauren were here and they helped a lot. So thanks to them. I was planning on yesterday to be my last day of this vlog, but I decided right now I'm cleaning my room, so I've decided I'm going to add that in this vlog because I kind of wanted to. So I'll add like a time lapse of me cleaning my room a little bit. I just cleaned the hall, the stairs, and the bathroom upstairs. So yeah, and then after that, I have work at 2:30, so this vlog will be done, and hopefully it'll be up by this weekend because I'm vlogging again this weekend of the Eras Tour, my grad party. So it's just gonna be a weekend vlog. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, let me give you an overview of my room. So yes, it looks disgusting, but it's really just like clothes and other stuff that has just been like in my room. Like this is like well, that's my brace, but like here's like some of my Taylor Swift stuff, and there's just more clothes out here. So I just need to do a bunch of laundry and just need to pick up, and I'll wipe down, I'll like vacuum and wash my sheets and stuff too. But I'm gonna put a load of laundry in and then start doing my laundry. So here is a time lapse of me cleaning my room.
It's about time I'm waking up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on.
Okay, so the room's not done. I have to do stuff on my bed, but it's basically done, and I don't want to keep you guys here too long because I have to edit this, and I feel like long videos, people get bored. But I really hope you guys like the little grad prep vlog. There's still some little things I need to do, but I feel like you guys don't really care about them. So well, I really hope you guys liked this video, and stay tuned for my grad party and Eras Tour vlog, my Cincy Eras Tour vlog this weekend. So yeah, hopefully this vlog will be up by this weekend. So like and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in my next video.